Hi everyone, welcome back to Nigeria Finance Diary. So today we're going to be talking about three best ways to invest in gold. I know you must have heard enough about investing in gold and all, and you're wondering how do you get started investing in gold. Yeah, it's a good one because gold appreciates regardless of the fact that it has been used. It's an asset that appreciates. Even if you've used it for a while and you want to resell, you still make profits. More like you don't sell at a lesser price, you still make profits based on the gold that you bought. So it means that if you're planning to buy gold, try and buy pure gold. Don't go and buy counterfeits, because when it gets to the time to resell it, so that you don't start having issues. So quickly, I'll be looking at the three possible ways to invest in gold. The first one is to invest in gold stocks. Yes, there are some stocks that are into gold. They produce gold and all. So if you want to invest in stocks that produces gold, they deal on the mining of gold and all, then you should focus on this particular stock, which is the Japo gold. Japo gold is available on the Nigerian stock market, so you should focus on the Japo gold. If you want to buy the Japo gold, all you have to do, if you don't have the app already, let's say you want to use one of these investment apps like the AfriInvest or the Trove app, either of the above, just get onto this app on the Play Store, sign up, create your account, ensure that you do your verification correctly so that you have your proper documentation on the app. Once this is done, your account is successfully created either on AfriInvest or on Trove app, the one that works better for you. Because some persons will tell you, okay, this one was seamless for me, it didn't really stress me, I easily opened my account on AfriInvest. Some will tell you, I opened my account easily on Trove. So anyone you feel comfortable navigating, if it makes more sense to you to navigate the Trove app easily, fine. If it makes more sense to you to navigate the AfriInvest app, fine. If it's the Bamboo app, that's fine as well. And if you want to walk into their office, let's say you want to go into a stockbroker office, for instance, you have the Cordros Securities, those are stockbrokers. You have the AfriInvest Securities as well. You have the Cardinal Stone Partners. You have Meristem Securities. So if you want to go into the broker's office to purchase these assets, you can as well go there and purchase this stock called Japo Gold. Japo Gold, like it begins with a J. So you can look for it online and just do your own research on it before you invest. So the next way to invest in gold, it's to invest in gold ETFs. Now ETFs simply means exchange traded funds. Now looking at an example of ETFs, if you take a look at this smoothie, now when you want to make a banana, let's say you want to make a banana smoothie, you have a lot of things you want to put into it to get different nutrients, right? So when you have the banana, you might want to add the peanut butter, you might want to still add oats and a lot of other things. It depends on your preference. So those other things you add up, you're just trying to get one thing, which is the banana smoothie. So those other ingredients make the whole thing become better and even taste healthier. So it's the same thing with ETFs. Now ETFs, they're more like a collection of different stocks, but they are grouped as one. For example, the S&P 500 is an ETF. So we have about 500 companies in one stock, which is called the S&P 500. So we call it exchange traded funds. Those ones that pull different companies together as one, we call them the exchange traded funds. So we have them also as gold ETFs. We have gold ETFs, those ETFs that are specifically tracking companies that are into gold. They specifically track companies that are into gold. So gold ETFs, like we have Griffin, we have Vetiver, we have Goldman Sachs ETF. So you can check them out online, do your own research on them before investing. So that's for gold ETFs. And lastly, you might want to consider investing in gold jewelries. For ladies that put on jewelries and all, you can consider the gold jewelries. It could be the gold ring. You could purchase it, and it's something you can also be sell later at a higher price, and you make profits from it. So those are the ways to invest in gold. Gold is one asset that usually appreciates in value. If you ask forex trader, those ones trading that currency pair, which is gold, you realize that they will tell you it's something that you can easily predict, because it always has the possibility to get that spike in price. So if you're thinking of investing in gold, I'm going to run through it again, just give you a quick recap as a list. The first one, you should be thinking of investing in gold stocks. that's those stocks that are into gold. That's what they do. That's the industry they operate in. For example, like I said earlier, the Japan gold. That the second one you should be looking at is gold ETFs. For example, Vetiver. Those are the kind of ETFs you should invest in if you are looking at investing in gold. And lastly, invest in gold jewelries. Could be the ring on your finger. Invest in gold jewelries. At the end of the day, you would feel happy that you did, because once it starts appreciating in value, you'll be the one cashing out, and I'll be here to applaud you, of course. So most importantly, if it's something you've not considered before, this time and age, you should also think towards the directions among other investment options that you have. Thank you for sticking with me to the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.